Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the like button so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Nokia 9 PureView. Let's have a look. The latest images of Nokia 9 PureView from 91 Mobiles show HMD Global's newest smartphone is on course for a late February launch. Its three key features stand out in the images, confirming the major points of the vanished design flagship. First up and standing alongside HMD's Global's first use of the PureView branding is the rear camera. With 5 lenses, it has an automatic and obvious advantage in promotion on the public. The housing, which includes the flash and the other sensor required, has a smart design and look good. While we still have to see the output from the camera, HMD Global has been leaning heavily on the imaging hardware and software in previous handset. Leading off with 5 lenses is an extension of this approach. Nokia may have made the wise decision to allow other companies to spend R&D money on eliminating display knots and in-display cutout before adding them to their flagship line. Even so, the Nokia 7.1 and the Nokia 8.1 do include knots. So what do we know? All of these details simply confirm a lot of what we already know, but this confirmation is press render from does means we are likely to see the Nokia 9 PureView at MWC. The Nokia 9 PureView, away from the bleeding edge of smartphone design, handsets such as the Honor View 20 are working with screens that have small punch outs of the camera and provide a large screen to body percentage. The question now is if the trade-off with the bezel size is countered by the benefits of the specification busting camera that has the potential for up to 10x optical zoom and ultra-wide lens to capture more area, and the monochrome camera to increase the detail available as the data is combined into a single image. So guys, now we share the specification of Nokia 9. We expect the device to support 5.99-inch display with 1440 x 2960 pixel resolutions, 18.9 aspect ratio with Corning Gorilla Glass, and always on display. The Nokia 9 is also expected to be powered by last year's Snapdragon 845 SoC, backed by 6GB of RAM and 128GB onboard storage. It's unclear as yet if this will be expendable. If we see about battery charging, the battery charging is so good. Fast battery charging, 18 watt, quick charge 3.0 and wireless charging. Battery capacity will come in at the rumored 4150 mAh for superb all day performance. So we expected the price is €750. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding Nokia 9 PureView. If you like this video, please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video, and subscribe our channel My Technological World, and don't forget to subscribe. So hit the like button so you will receive our upcoming videos. Okay, peace out, take care, bye bye.